Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best epoxy resin for coasters on the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best epoxy resin for coasters. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. You know how important coasters are for protecting the wooden table surface and many others. But, when it comes to creating resin coasters, it's a bit tricky game. I personally like the one that comes durable, heat-resistant, and doesn't melt and turn sticky. Well, do you find it hard to get the best epoxy resin for coasters making? Fret not. We've sorted out the agony on your way. Today, we've brought some of the best resins for making heat-resistant coasters. From a hot coffee mug to glasses, teacups, water bottles, nothing can damage or put stains on the surface. These resins are highly durable with up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit of heat tolerance. So, without further talking, stick with us to criticize them all here. In this video, we'll take a look at the best resin for making coasters and highlight some of the reasons why these resins are the best for coasters. Some resins are better for pours that are shallow, and then other resins are for deeper pours. So it just depends on what type of coaster and coaster mold you will be using. Number 1. Craft Resin 34-ounce Epoxy Resin for Coasters. This is a non-hazardous product with everything you need to get started with craft resin. It is designed to be strong, durable, crystal clear, and increase the attractiveness and value of whatever it is applied on. It is self-leveling, non-toxic, UV-resistant, and very easy to use. This kit comes with a reusable mixing stick and gloves that offer convenient usage. After mixing the two parts, resin and hardener, it gets tacky for about 25 to 35 minutes and for 50 minutes or more before signs of forming. You shouldn't be messed with. It's best to prep ahead of time. The cured craft resin can only tolerate a maximum temperature of 200 F or 93 C after 21 days. The resin features crystal clarity and can be used as self-leveling powder. A crystal clear coating and casting system, the Clear Craft Resin Epoxy Kit is made of clear epoxy resin. In order to make oneself a better person, the stirring process should be completed in 3 steps to ensure a level effect. After 4 minutes, and as soon as possible, pour the batter into the molds. A fast and easy cure defoaming procedure must first be performed. If you make sure that its number is 1, you can expect the Artcraft DIY epoxy resin supplies to cure quickly and harden quickly. Then stir thoroughly in a 1:1 ratio. If stirred evenly and slowly, there will be no bubbles. Suitable for silicone molds, as well as additives such as glitter, mica powder, and alcohol ink liquid resin pigment dyes. Pros: it is easy to use and non-toxic, UV-resistant, self-leveling and crystal clear, low odor. It is food safe. Cons: manual can be hard to follow. Number 2. ProMarine supplies 1 gallon epoxy resin for coasters. This epoxy is designed for tabletops, wood finishes, slabs, bar tops, artworks, and more. It is essential to keep the work area at 80 degrees and be careful while mixing. This product offers one of the most significant coverage areas at 48 square feet and is naturally blush resistant. For a scratch-resistant and hard surface, you need to heat the epoxy a little bit so that it'll cure harder. It is self-leveling, UV-resistant, and produces a tough and water-resistant coating. ProMarine Repair, a boat repair company, was established in 2009, working on projects from minor cosmetic fixes to complete boat restorations. While working on various boat construction projects, we realized how much of a demand there was for high-quality epoxy resin products. ProMarine Supplies was then established in 2013 to fulfill the demand for much-needed epoxy resin products to suit the various needs of the marine, construction, and art industry. Our trained and experienced staff is here to answer your questions and provide technical support. Aside from supplying outstanding products, we also ensure that our customers are highly satisfied with the assistance and service that we can provide. Please check out our full instructional guide and videos. If you need any assistance with your application or have any questions or comments, please reach out. Pros: it is self-leveling and food safe. Cures quickly. Zero VOCs. It is blush and water resistant. Number 3. Better Boat 1 Gallon Epoxy Resin for Coasters. This is an epoxy solution that mixes quickly and stays clear for many years. When it is appropriately applied, it brings out the beauty of any surface. This epoxy reduces the formation of bubbles and lumps in the mixture. You wouldn't need to purchase mixing materials from stores, as the kit includes 2 mixing cups, a silicone spatula, and a plastic spreader. This epoxy is formulated to withstand UV rays, water, scratches, and it's a protective coating that lasts much longer. It resists yellowing and reduces bubbles to deliver a clear and sturdy finish. This Better Boat Epoxy Resin Table Kit features a premium deep pour formulation that cures crystal clear and hard as a rock with a high gloss finish. Creates gorgeous river tables, bar tops, artwork, castings, and more. The easy-to-use formula is self-leveling and UV-resistant for projects that look great for years to come. Try this clear epoxy resin and hardener gallon set risk-free for 30 days, love it or get your money back. Pros: easy to pour, mix and use, water and scratch resistant. It resists yellowing and withstands UV rays. Durable. Number 4. Incredible Solutions UV Pro Epoxy Resin for Coasters. This is a crystal clear finish that makes epoxy perfect for wood slabs, tabletops, live edges tables, and many more. Although it contains UV inhibitors that help to resist yellowing, it is not advisable to leave it in direct sunlight or outside. When this epoxy is adequately cured, it is possible to be food safe. It is not advisable to pour this product over oil-based paint, but you can mix it with mica pigment powder, which comes in different colors, glitters, and even glow in the dark. It can recoat surfaces after many years of use to regain a very smooth and glossy finish. As previously mentioned, the mixture is UV stable, which many other epoxies cannot offer. Additionally, the self-leveling mixture provides superior air release, which aids in preventing bubbles, cracks, cratering, fish eyes and many other common problems across other brands. Incredible Solutions is the perfect solution for tabletops, wooden bars, embedding pictures, or even concrete. This, along with the fact that Incredible Solutions is made right here in the USA, makes this one of our top picks. Pros: it resists yellowing, water, and blemish, has a low odor, zero VOC and consistent thickness. It cures quickly. Cons: cannot be used outside. Number 5. Ecopoxy Flowcast 1.5L Epoxy Resin for Coasters. Flowcast is perfect for thick pours with the ability to cast up to 1.5 thick and perfect for any other deep pour applications or casting in silicone molds. It cures to a white-like appearance with no ambering like the others and has an excellent air release with a low exothermic heat buildup, producing a crystal clear, strong finish that resists stress cracking. Ecopoxies are known for their durability and their extremely strong bond to whatever they cure, to making them perfect for deep pours, also used for large projects and other works of art. It is ideal for casting, encapsulating, molding, and more. Has a low odor and can be machined using the tools you already have for woodworking. The appearance of Flowcast registered can be customized using Ecopoxy's high-intensity metallic color pigments and liquid color pigments. Compatibility of the cured system with a variety of finishing methods and products ensures that desired custom finishes can be achieved. Flowcast registered can be worked using the same tools you already have for woodworking, such as a lathe, table saw, or belt sander, leaving you thousands of possibilities to create beautiful projects. Be sure to check us out on social media for inspiration and see what other artists are making out of Ecopoxy. Pros: low odor. It does not create too many bubbles, easy to use and eco-friendly, durable. Cons: its curing time is extremely long, a bit expensive.